What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool for you. This is something that was just shared with us by one of our analysts at A1 Trading. If you guys are members inside of the group, then you may know already our analyst Bart, who has been with us for just a little bit under a year now. He's a really, at this point, very experienced trader and has been doing a lot with the A1 Trading community for some time. Now, he's been sharing his trades and his concepts with members, but he's actually been nice enough to share at this point his template for what he uses as a journal. Now, he's left some details in here for us to kind of look at how he uses this journal, but down below in the description there is a link to get access to this this template file, so you can have one that's blank and fill it in with your own personal trades to kind of track how your performance is doing, if that seems helpful to you. So check that out down below in the description. So let's take a look at this and see what Bart has been up to. So basically, this little kind of template is allowing us to track and record how our trades are doing. So you can see that all across the top here, we've got all this different information about the trades. Now, if you're a diligent trader and you're familiar with journaling or, kind of plotting your trades, it can be a very, very helpful process, actually kind of therapeutic almost, to record how your trades are going, what things are working for you, what things are not working for you, how many pips profit you took, percentage profit, all that sort of thing is very, very important. So we can see here that we've got a bunch of different listings of what's going on in Bart's account. You can see the date across the top. You've got the time that the trade was taken, the pair. He gets very, very into his details with his trades, which I think is great. So you've got the trade, the entry, the stop loss, the take profit. He uses two take profits, but if you weren't to use one, maybe you could just put in like a dash here or something. You could just fill it in however you like. Your pips that he was able to take on the trade, his risk to reward, all sorts of different information on each of the individual trades. You can also see the balance, which is great. The risk percentage per trade that he's taking, it looks like he's taking 3% per trade, which is a little bit more on the aggressive side, but if you're willing to take it, then it could be potentially more rewarding too. Now you can actually see it looks like he dropped down to 2.5%, which I think is good, especially when we see his balance going up, which is fantastic. So let's keep going. So he also talks about his balance, his risk percentage, his overall, which I'm not quite sure what that means. Maybe he'll comment down below and let us know. But he sees the lot size here, which is good. The close price, the take profit, 1, 2. You've got the pips that were gained or lost on any particular trade. And you've got some notes here, which I find really interesting as well. So check this out. So in the notes column, he's able to share just a little bit of what happened with the trade, which is really, really cool. And for those of you guys who maybe struggle with the psychology part of trading, maybe you could use the notes section as a place to say, I stuck to my plan, this was good, whatever, just as kind of a comment on the actual trade itself. And then he's also got something really cool. He's chose to use a before and after link to a trading view page where the trade either worked out or didn't. I think that that's really, really cool. And again, allows him to kind of journal how things are going. So you can see he's trading gold here. He went long. He had a stop loss in place of, I think that's 110 pips. I think that's what he means by this. He's got to take profit 1, take profit 2, how many pips it is, his risk to reward, all that sort of stuff. And I'm guessing you can see with just the balance change whether he made money or lost money. And so not bad at all. And again, it just allows him to kind of watch his own trades and sees, he's able to see and comment on how things are going. You can see here, he said one of the notes that, behind this loss, he had Trump news, which is kind of funny. So maybe he had some news come out that Trump released that caused his trade to go into negative territory, which is a good kind of comment to make. And so that you can maybe, attribute some of the losses or wins to different things, which is helpful when going forward to get an idea of what is working and what is not working. So you can actually see he's also got it separated by month, which I think is really cool. So June, July, August, and I guess you could just keep going with this. I assume you can just copy this and paste it below and continue the process of tracking your performance. So again, nothing super automated about this. It's very simple, but I thought it was very, very clean. And I actually asked him if we could make a video and give it out to people. So again, if you're interested, check it out down below in the description. Maybe it'll help some of you guys out with getting organized with your trades. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you back next time.